The day we discover life will signal a change in the human condition that we cannot foresee or imagine.
That's pretty good.
This is Star Talk. Neil deGrasse Tyson here, your personal astrophysicist. And today I've got an exclusive one-on-one conversation reserved for only those people who are not only important, but are also a friend of mine. We got with me in studio, Bill Nye.
Greetings, Doctor.
How you doing, man? Got a bow tie on and everything. You're just completely that guy.
I am that guy.
The science guy.
What you see is what you get.
And did you tie your own bow tie today?
Yeah. Can you imagine? Bill Nye wears clip-on tie.
That would be a funny skit.
Bill Nye decided to end his career and lose respect from all his fans.
I want you to know, if I ever see anybody with a bow tie, I ask them if it's real. And if they say not, which is about 2/3 of people.
Not? See what he did there?
I say, I'm going to tell Bill Nye on you. And then they shudder because
They can wear clip-on bow ties. That's fine. I mean, I just think it's not in the, as we say, the spirit of the game.
I flew my ass out here to Los Angeles. We are now in your office of the Planetary Society, Pasadena, California, the same town where this society was birthed.
A true fact.
So
not
give me
a false fact.
Give me a fast birther story on this.
So Carl Sagan had been very influential in getting Voyager, the Viking landing on Mars, and the 2 Voyager spacecraft launched.
And just for historical completeness, there were 2 missions, a Viking lander and a Viking orbiter.
Yes.
And so it could photograph the surface.
Yes. Amazing,
Yeah.
Really amazing visionary ideas. And so he noticed that public interest in space exploration, especially planetary exploration, was very high, but government support of it was waning. And he had this big idea for a solar sail spacecraft.
It's the 1970s now.
1976.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the disco era. And that was set aside for more human missions, including the famous handshake in space, so that the Soviet Union and the United States would have no more conflict. And that worked out great.
It was an Apollo capsule in orbit around Earth, a Soyuz capsule, and they were configured so that their collars could join, and they open the hatch, and they're all weightless, so they're just floating through, and they would shake hands. And I was told that the Americans were trained to only speak Russian, and the Russians were trained to only speak English.